so the government don't find it. I'll take the matrix and I'm blinded. The simulation is corrupted. I got a journal of all the glitches and misinformation, erasing time, re-engineering rhymes to make my lyrics seem fine with no type of pacing. The simulation is mine. I control how tall trees grow in other nations and how far Apollo Creed went for his damnation. That's a Rocky III reference. Alternate realities, timelines converging, bringing fantasy back to the real life absurd. Abstract views, kaleidoscopes for you pretentious turds clamoring for the next distorted bass single to hit the curb. If the street was some heat, that's the word. Hit my peeps with a beat so they get heard. Don't hit my line if you fuck with me on the second. Don't see what's good with me on the third. Homie, don't say we cousins. We was fam back as Rugrats. Now it's fairly odd you turn your back on me frontin'. Doth we now harken back to them days of paper planes, borrowing pencil sharpeners, stencils, and Crayola markers, payola godfathers. Fuck I look like? I ain't no goddamn Suge Knight. I'm the rap game, I'll be sure. I'm at the waterfront, y'all can catch me by the shore. I'm a Lil B, we smoked a little weed, bet we gon' smoke some more. It's just a stream of consciousness, but what I need to route about to get that sponsorship, like put your hands up, holla kids. Maybe I'll go the conscious route like Common did, but fuck it, I'll get up on this track and have a motherfucking heart attack. It's hardly facts, but it's real life. He's 47 years old, you still riding around on that little bike. Bike, get it? You're riding around a little bike, you old. Supposed to be in a car, whatever, you know, cars are bad for the environment, but bikes ain't gonna save it, you feel me? What's good with that beef consumption? What's good with the beef consumption in America? What's good with the beef consumption worldwide? I heard it's rising in China.